welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fabulous Fatima. Today I am going to be tackling my refrigerator. Let me show you guys. This is how my refrigerator look. And the door. Everything needs to be clean. So I will show you guys after I take everything out.
They never gonna stop us, fly by them like choppers, better cook those wrists, cold blood in my fists, we fire starters, one out of a million will reach those heights, always had a feeling that I won't deny that work, never could toss, look in my eyes, I'm on the rise. A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion. So rise up, rise up. We are the apocalypse, and a pill that keeps us floating. As we fly above the stars, the hype won't scare us falling. So rise up. Way too great to be landed. Rise up. Way too great to be standing. They never gonna stop us, fly by them like choppers, better cook those wrists, cold blood in my fists, we fire starters. Let's go. One out of a million will reach those heights, always had a feeling that I won't deny that work, never could toss, look in my eyes, I'm on the rise.
Taking cleaning vinegar and spraying it and wiping it out pretty much. And I bought this cleaning vinegar from the Dollar Tree. That's what I'm going to be using it, and I'm going to see that.
They never gonna stop us, fly by them like choppers, better cook those wrists, cold blood in my fists, we fire starters, one out of a million will reach those heights, always had a feeling that I won't deny that work, never could toss, look in my eyes, I'm on the rise. A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion.
So guys, this is how it's looking. It's all came out. It's all nice and clean. Yes. Clean, 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 clean.
Stop us, flying by them like choppers. Better tuck those risks, cold blood in my fists, we fire starters. Let's go. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always had a feeling that I won't deny that work. Never could toss. Look in my eyes, I'm on the rise.
Okay guys, so I have everything back in there. Yeah, I needed it to be throughout what I didn't need. Sorry everything is not in order like you would put it, but it's in there. So yeah, and don't judge me guys, my refrigerator haven't been clean and I say maybe 5 to 6 months. So I'm glad I did get up and clean it. So I like the way it came out. So I just want to show you guys the products that I use. One thing I used was this awesome that I got from Dollar Tree to get up all the stuff that was actually stuck. That's what's in this bottle. The label and everything is all rubbed off. And some cleaning vinegar that I also got from Dollar Tree. I just put it in this spray bottle. So yeah, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, join the family. And until the next time that I upload a video, ciao, bella.